morning, guys. It's 6:32 on a Tuesday morning. I guess today's August 31st. And we're just getting started on our way to Plumas, Manitoba. That's about an hour away, just past Gladstone, just north of Gladstone. We got a big tree there to take down and haul away to the dump. John's going to be leaving probably about 5 minutes after me. I can only go about 90 kilometers an hour fastest speed, so it takes me a bit longer, but I'll get a head start. Anyways, we'll see you there. Okay guys, so we're a couple hours into this job. As you can see, we've got this big spar that came up, all foliage in here and then all up in here. That one is down to there as well. We're going to be dropping these to about 6 or 8 feet to allow for a treehouse. So now John's just going to be pulling out and going to be heading to the dump soon, but before he does that, he's going to help me get backed in on the neighbor's side there. And we're going to try and strip all of this down before lunch. And then we'll have the bulk of the tree down besides the heavy stuff. Alright guys, so we're all done this job. As you can see, we take a bit of firewood home. You remember we started over there and then we did the rest from the neighbor's yard. And that's what we're left with. I guess they're going to make a tree house on top of the stump there. So that's why we left it at 7 feet there. Alright, see you on the next one.